when we are considering layers, a special thing that we can do is modify or work with all the layers together. So here is how you will have multiple layer options. When you click layer properties, you will get all the layers that are available over here. Also, for example, like in more detailed drawings, coordination drawings, you will have multiple of these, like electrical layers, mechanical layers, architecture, and then all the used layers. So it's always good to go to all used layers, except if you are working in single detailing and it's a very heavy drawing. So over here, what you can do, for example, when I'm saying you can work with multiple layers, is you can select multiple layers, make all of them of one color, for example, red. Okay, so all of them are one color. Again, you can work, for example, you can close multiple layers. You can also lock multiple layers or unlock them. So, and then you can also thaw. At the same time, you can do single layers as well. So you can just work on single layers. Again, this is very good if you want to modify more detailed options. So like, for example, line weight, for example, transparency of multiple layers. So this really helps modify the layers together at multiple points. Also, you can select whether it should be printed, not printed. So this is the beauty of the working with layers, that you can modify all of them together. You can work with them to make all of it in one window. You can modify all the layers. For example, you can work around all the layers together in one window. And also you can, over here, you can add new layers. You can freeze some layer. For example, if I like add a new layer, and then I can make this the current layer, for example, make this as the default layer, or I can delete the layers also. So this is how things work in layer properties window, which you can come from here. So close, open from here. That's how it will be. Okay, so this is like a super trick for layers. You have multiple options over here. You can filter them. You can go to more properties and details, but this is like main focus over here is to modify the layers with multiple layers together. For example, the line weight, if you want to change, you want to make them thicker, you can do all of these details together. Continuous line type, or you want to add some different line types, you can do it over here. You can make it something completely different, and you can, so there's multiple options over here to modify the layer. Means the basis of all the objects, means the detailing of the drawing will be much more better. So this is a super tip for you, and I hope this will be helpful for you as you're moving forward with AutoCAD, especially in 2025.